7 April 2021. Market is opening flat. The pre-market suggests that it's just going to be flat today, and probably most of the entire market is. Now we are expecting it to be within this range. I'm going to be extremely careful. Honestly, I don't know where this is going to go. So my trades are going to be very, very careful. We have another 20 seconds left for the market to be open. I'm going to test with one lot or two lots, then we'll take a decision after that whether we want to increase or not, provided the market has gotten out of a particular range. So let's see how this goes, and it's going to start anytime now. There it is. Let me go back to 1 minute. Okay, there it is. My god, my laptop is hanging. This is bad. See that? Why is my laptop hanging? This doesn't give me confidence at all. $32,400 CE, 32,400. No. Can I get a flat pattern? Can I get some sign that okay, it's gonna go up, it's gonna continue going up? I can take this now. I don't want to chase this. I don't want to chase this and then end up losing a lot of money. Here it is. It sort of threw it down a little bit, which I don't like. Let's see if it breaks that and goes higher, then we have something. If not, then we have something downstairs. But as of now, there is no trade for me. I'm not going to lose money. I'm just going to be extremely patient. Let's see how Nifty is doing. Okay, so it's almost reached the top of yesterday. So this is a good trading scene right now. It has poked the top. I like that. Right, so quickly let me go to Nifty. We have 14,500. Let me look at 14,500 CE. So it has broke the yesterday's high. So that's a good thing. I like that. Let's see how it does. But I'm going to be extremely careful today not to trade within a very small range, because I am so confident that I'm going to lose money if I trade within that range. So this is a nice push up. Very small candle right there, red candle, so there's not much of a push down, unless, okay, so let's see. I like the small flag pattern right here. If it continues, then we have something. If not, then we are out of this. Depends on the strength of this candle. There's a small flag. If this flag continues for longer, or if it trades within a range for too long, then I'm not sure about trading at all. Maybe I'll trade, after 12 or 1 o'clock to see if there is any setup that has come. Clearly, as of now, there is absolutely no setup for me. So I'm going to be really, really patient. Probably limit down because this is not showing me any strength. No, definitely not. Bank is doing down. That's interesting. 32,300. 32,300 PE. Let's see how that goes for me. Oh, nice. Okay, small retracement right there. And can I get some pattern for me? Can I? We're going to continue pushing down. Okay, this is good. If this turns red, then I have something. It's a nice push down. Can I expect it to go down? Very nice. I'm not going to hold it for too long. This is not the range that I like to trade in. Okay. $32,200. Let's see. Here it is. No chasing. This is clearly, you know, uh, within a very small range, so I cannot chase this at all. This is where it started, went up 200. That's nothing for Bank Nifty. See, if it has to strength, if it has the strength to push it even more lower. No trade as of now. Let's see how Bank Nifty is doing. Okay, this is going up. So I don't have the confidence that the bank can continue going down. I'm not really confident about that. So PE trade, I wouldn't take it so comfortably right now. And even if it goes down, maybe it will not really go down for me to earn anything, or maybe the slippage will eat it a lot. So I'll have to be extremely careful. We seeing Nifty to break the top? Let me go back to Nifty. We have 14,500 CE to break the top, and if it does with good strength, yes, we'll continue taking that trade. Else, I'll just probably take one lot. That's it. I'll just hold on to one lot. I'm not going to kill this. Let's see. So the position of the 9 EMA is exactly where I want it to be. position of the 9 EMA, first confirmation. Second confirmation is that I want it to go above this level with decent strength, not much of a struggle. Then I might have a trade. Obviously, let's try to struggle right here again because this is the previous day high, right? It'll struggle again over there. Even if it has to go up, I'll have to be really aggressive to reduce my losses if it shows downwards. There it is. I am not really confident about today at all. Today is a very small range. Market is in a very small range. I'll have to be really patient to see if it goes through any direction. Yes, if probably if bank goes below 32,222, 32,200 ish, then maybe there is a chance. 32,200, 32,200p. Let's see. If it shows good strength, then I am in. If not, it has to be out of the range. Because there is a very nice pullback. People are aggressively selling. So let's see if it cracks where I want it to crack. Okay, we are in. And already in minus. We have 3 lot. I'm not going to wait for too long. If it starts to resist, I'm not happy with it. Let's see if it starts to break that bottom. If it doesn't, then I am out of it. Okay, this is too long, too far. I am holding it for too long. Can I expect it to go lower? Can I? Very nice. That's good. At this point of time, even if I get anything, I'll be happy. That's where I am at right now. Not confident. There is too much risk in this. I'm sorry, I'm out of it. Let it take a direction. Then I'll take the same instrument if I have to, and then go back in. But clearly, right now I don't have anything with me. It's too much of a struggle, too much of a fight right here. And if it doesn't show any good strength, then I'm not in for it. There it is. Let it go to 9 EMA, say hi to 9 EMA. Let me have a clear direction. Okay, on the other side, we have Nifty going up, holding up to 14,500 level and showing weakness after that. Let's see. If it crosses this level, then we can expect the bank also. Maybe we can expect bank also to probably go down a little bit. But as of now, bank is holding really strong to where it started, but looks like it is not as strong. It's only a matter of time we'll know whether it's going to crack the bottom. And if it is continuing within this range, I'm going to exit. This is my third trade. I'll have to be extremely careful, extremely fast, right? Let's see if it cracks that. Okay, I'm in. Okay, my existing instrument went minus. Okay, that's not a good sign. You see that? That's a lot of pullback right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit with a minimal loss of whatever it is. Right, unless it drops really quick. If it drops really quick, then we have something. If not, I am out of this trade. Okay, there you go. That's good. Still, there is not much of a movement. That means people are not confident about that. People are not confident about this particular instrument going down. So until the market confirms, I'm not going to take a trade again, right? I have finished 3 trades now. I'm not going to take a trade until the market confirms which direction it's going to go. I'm happy with this profit. I'm going to hold on to it until there is a clear sign of the direction. If you notice, although there was a movement downwards, there was not much of movement with respect to the number. So the instrument wasn't really active because people are not using that instrument unless there is a clear sign. We don't have a trade now. Here you go. The market is in range. Nifty is failing to come down aggressively or failing to come down at all. And for all I know, bank will say, hey, you know what, I'm not going to go back down from here. I'm just going to go back up from here. It's going to try a couple of times, just definitely not want to be in this trade right here because it'll only show me minus the moment I take that trade. So let's wait and see if it takes a direction. If it takes a direction, well and good. If not, we are okay to wait to take another level. It's just very difficult to cross this level. We are in a range, definitely not in the level for me to take any trade right now. I'm going to pause the video. I'll get back to you once there is flag pattern, a wedge pattern you can say, if you have to call it. This going here and this from here to here. Right now the market will choose a direction. It's sort of buzzing in this area, not for too long. Either it'll drop down or it'll shoot up. Now it has probably, there it is, that, there it is. If it shoots up, then we have a trade probably after this, nothing before this, probably after this. Now the traders are indecisive what the market wants to do, or the market itself is indecisive. So I'm just gonna wait. Bank is giving me a similar pattern, right? But still it looks like it's weak, it's showing weakness, so we can expect maybe again another attempt to go down. But you know, Nifty is showing strength. So let's wait. Okay, it's got out of that zone, so let's go to Nifty, put in 500 CE. Let's see, just to keep it ready. My fourth trade. Gotten out of it. It's struggling around 14,541. Clearly I don't have a trade right now. There is absolutely no trade right now. Yeah, I think I will hold on until the market takes shape, like a proper shape, and if there is a price action based on the direction it is taking, then probably I'll trade. Otherwise I will just hold on. Yeah, let's see, I'll hold on to this profit that I made today, even though it will charge my brokerage and everything. Still it's fine. Okay, this seems to be trying the upway, the upside. Let's see if it tries to go upside. So I just go with one lot. There's no direction, there's no strength in the direction. Nice. Okay, Wow, guys, look at this. Really struggling. How is bank doing? Bank is just too low. Yeah, the banks apparently are not doing that well. So let's see if the business people push this up or not. I don't know. But as of now, it feels like, almost feels like it has chosen a direction. I'm not sure. I'm not confident about any of this. Lot of difficulty. On the other side, bank is telling I'm gonna go down. It's not showing strength to go up. This range, within this range. Let's see how many times it has attempted before. 1, 2, basically yesterday it gap down, gap up, then it tried to crack the bottom again. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 times. And I am not surprised if it tries to go attempt again to go down. So let me just keep that ready. 32 200, is it? Oh, I hate to use the same instrument. Let's see. If it shows weakness, we can expect maybe for it to touch the bottom again. But as of now, there is no trade, because even if you take this trade right now, it's only going to show you minus because there is indecisiveness in the market. It hasn't picked up a position direction, sorry. So you'll have to be patient, really patient. But yeah, this looks like it's gonna attempt to go down here. I think 32 300 would be better off to trade. It'll be in the money. 32 300 PE. Let's see. Gone to the 9 EMA. Let's see if it goes to 21, and if it does, then we can expect the bank to go down to 32 200. Very nice. It's an important level. So if I have to put a middle line to the activity that's happening right now, it's probably this area, right? This, I would say, is the zone that the bank is trying to fight right now. If it has to go below it, then we have a range that it goes below it, it goes below it, or else it just hovers around and goes above, then probably it's going to go take a direction on the upside. It has tried to crack it several times, this level, right? So if it goes below it, then we might expect it to drop nicely. If not, then probably move back up again. Oh, market is clearly in range. Half an hour over almost, and still in range. So not taking any trade right now until there is a clear direction. Wow, see, there is the yellow line, and it tries to struggle above it. Maybe Nifty is going up. Yeah, Okay, let's see if there is strength. Probably since it's out of this zone, it's going up. I can expect it to maybe move up comfortably, cross this level as well. You can also expect the bank to go up a little bit. We have 2.3 lakh fresh COVID cases in India in the last 24 hours. That's the news. So, with respect to the virus issue, news doesn't look promising, but the market is somehow trying to hold up and it's trying to go somewhere. For some reason, it gapped up also yesterday. So, I don't trust the news that the market will react to the news. That's not the thing. People who are sitting inside the house trading, probably they are okay, and the market is moving, taking a direction. So, not looking at it. My God, this is taking too long. Okay, there is one attempt. It has broken the top. Is it just about there? Yeah, it has broken the top. Come touches 9 EMA and then goes. Maybe I'll take one lot of 14500 CE to help me go above. It has to go lower, a little more lower. It would be nice. Can you struggle a little more? Yes, please. Don't go up yet. Just struggle a little more. Yes. Go down a little. Say hi to me, 9 EMA. Probably this is going to be a long video since this is taking so much time. Usually I don't want to trade for this long. But some days that's how market gives you. That's how market, takes your time. Sometimes it takes time also with money. Okay, that's good. I like that. I like this setup. This is the first climb. If you ask me, this is the first step towards the upward move. And if it shows me any green, I am positive, right? On the other side, this is showing me a reverse flag pattern wherein it is going to drop from here. So it's a very dicey situation. I cannot take anything more than one lot right now, that's for sure. At worst, if I end up leveling out with my brokerage and everything, that's a big deal today. But I don't have a clear sign here, absolutely whatsoever. There it is. It touched the 9 EMA. Can I expect it to go up? Yes. Let's see. As soon as I took it, it showed me minus 120. Let's see. Yes. Yes, sir. Take a direction. Pick up a direction. Come on. And if it crosses this, then we have a clear direction. Let's see. It's only a matter of time. We'll come to know how this holds up. Very nice. But still, there is no strength in the instrument. People are not yet clear which side it's going to go. People are not sure which side it's going to take. Yes, finally something. Can I expect at least a positive sign? Yes, please. Yes. Grow up. Yes. No. No. Nope. I don't like that. Nope, I don't like that at all. Minus 157. Thank God I took one lot, otherwise that would have been double. And there it is, as we expected. Maybe it'll come back to 9 EMA, say hi to it again. But the selling is aggressive. If you see, selling is like quite fast. Buying is a little slow. So one more trade and I'm done. That's it. Actually, maybe I should be done by now. I don't think I should be taking another trade until there is a clear sign. So I'm going to wait. Maybe I'll take my next trade at 1 o'clock or something. Till then, I'm going to wait and hold up. This is a good sign. I like this flag pattern. It has to try to go down. It went to the 9 EMA. It says hi, and then it went back again. It didn't cross it, so that's a good sign. Nowhere it has crossed except at the starting here, and then that also covered with a big huge green candle. That means the direction is clear probably. Let's see if bank supports the direction. For all I know, all of a sudden there'll be a crazy sell. You'll never know. These patterns are really scary. All of a sudden you'll be in C, then it's just gonna drop down on you. So you'll have to be extremely careful. I don't trust this kind of a market. Probably will have to test the waters a little bit with one lot and check if it is good enough, then probably take a trade. Otherwise you're in for a big loss. Okay, I'll start recording again once we have a direction. Frame, the direction of the market has changed from up to down. Still it is in range, in a very small range actually, but then the selling is very strong. 250 is a very small range. Extremely small. In fact, any trade that you do within this range, you're gonna probably lose a lot of money. But then I'm right now done with 9 trades. Last trade I have, I'm thinking if I get maybe 100 200 rupees, it's good. Else I'm better off with the day with zero P&L, basically zero. What do you call that? Zero profit. Yeah, zero profit. Right. So let's see. Nice big buy that didn't sustain, which is a good news for me. Right. Let's see if it pushes downwards. 32,300 PE is what I have in sight. Can I expect it to drop? Because the direction is very nice. It looks like it's going to drop. But then we are not sure yet, so I don't trust this market yet. Let's see. I'm in it. Not feeling good about it, but then I am in it. As you can see, the moment it started, it ate away everything that I had. Right, and it's going against me right now. So am I supposed to hold it? And if this continues with the green, then I might end up in a bigger loss. 3 lots, right? And am I in it? No, I think it's better to get out. It's really good to get out right now, I think. If this doesn't sustain, then I'm out of it. Okay. Wow, I'm even happy to see this plus 27 rupees. Let's see, I'm still seeing the direction as downward. Let us see. 10 trades done. I know if I continue trading, I'm going to lose a lot of money. That's for sure. I don't have a doubt about that. But as per price action, I'm seeing this moving in a particular direction right now. So I still have hopes that it will go down. That is, my number is 32,300 PE, which ate a little bit money. I'm gonna probably get into it again. right? I have a strong feeling that it's going to try to sell off. Oh, look at that. Thank God I didn't hold on to it. That would have been a major loss. Still, all these nice spikes don't hold for too long. They sell off pretty quick, come back to where it started, right? And you can expect it to probably come back to where? Mm, I am expecting it to go back to 32, 180. Try another, try another time to go down. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That it's going to attempt to go down again. How does Nifty look on the other side? It's pretty decent. As per price action, this is a good level again. We can expect it to maybe go towards the downside, right? Went up to, with respecting price action, went down neatly respecting price action. So I'm really happy with that. But yeah, all the profits, anything that I do further, I'm pretty confident that I'm going to end up with more and more losses. So I'll have to be extremely careful. Or else probably I'll have to take one last trade maybe after 1 o'clock. Right now, clearly this is not giving me any indication, neither is this. So let's see. I'll give it some time, let it take shape, and then probably we'll see how it is doing. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it to take some shape. Then again, we'll take a decision. Don't tell me you're gonna shoot up now. Thank God I got out of that trade really quick. I'm so happy. This is a very tight range market, and making money in this market is very difficult. You'll see most of the instruments, everything, whether C or P, everything is in red, meaning it's not the day to trade. 250 is nothing for banking, and it is playing around 250. This is a big, probably the smallest range I have ever seen till now. Very small range. Okay, let's continue after the market takes shape again. Then probably we'll take a call. Oops, is it going 32,400? Going to go to the top again? I don't know. 32,400. Nah, I don't think so. Let's see. Move. It came in just before some time. As soon as it crossed the level 14,500, basically the high of yesterday in Nifty, I happened to catch a small portion of it, very small portion of it, and then I exited with a small profit. I did enter with 3 lots because it was trying to go up, and then it was testing the 9 EMA. It didn't cross the 9 EMA, so I was pretty confident. I didn't record it because I had to execute this as soon as I can. I didn't want to lose since I'm a scalping guy. I'm not a positional guy. I didn't have enough time to take the trade and then start the video. I had to also exit really soon because I didn't want to get held with this huge red candle right now. That would have been a big loss for me. I would have lost everything that I had today. But since I have made around 600 rupees and I have almost already crossed the number of trades that I had to do, I am calling it a day. I am happy with today's profit. Although I didn't make any profit, I have to give the brokerage. I'm happy with this much amount that I have earned, right, on 3 lots on a range day. I'm super convinced that this is it. The more I trade over this, the more I will lose. So that is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.